Installation tutorial for upgrading the third row seats of DENZA D9 to electric, adjustable ones, power extraction and wire harness connection. Take power from the left side of the trunk, connect to the account fuse, grounding and wire harness. Determine the hole position. Route the wires reasonably. Remove the manual pull cable and unlocking mechanism of the seat. Remove the manual slide rail rubber strip. Cut the obstacles on the slide rail, except for the first screw at the front end of the slide rail. Cut all the rest. The rear end of the slide rail needs to be cut an additional 1 centimeter. Note, pull the manual slide rail backward by 2 centimeters before cutting. Install and fix the electric slide rail. Fix the slide rail with electric iron nuts. Align with the hole position. Insert the flexible shaft and fix it. Dismantle the manual handle mechanism. Determine the switch position. Mark the drilling position and install. Install and fix the manual slide rail. Connect and organize the wire harness. Installation completed and tested. Adjust the third row seats to the frontmost position. The spacing in the trunk is 70 centimeters. Adjust the third row seats to the rearmost position. The spacing in the trunk is 40 centimeters. After installing the slide rails, the height of the seat is 40 centimeters. Adjust the middle row seats to the frontmost position. Adjust the third row seats to the rearmost position. The legroom is 44 centimeters.